example, there's national library, there's academic library, there's public library. But this national library, like, is the oga patapata. I don't know how to explain it to you, but it's very big. It's like the headquarters. You understand? That's where you see. That's one thing about national library. It's a very big national library. Like, if you're a librarian and you're working in national library, like, the respect to be higher to compare to someone that works in academic library. Do you understand? Because it's going to be like a government job. You understand? So should we move on? Dash is a library built on a vehicle and driven from place to place. Yes. Medical libraries are located in which area? Medical association and hospital, true or false? It is located in hospitals, medical schools, nursing schools, medical and health association. That's where you see medical library. That's the same way. I don't know if this, if saying oil and gas library is correct, but, or let me say engineering library. But this kind of library that you see in all these oil and gas company, or or an association guiding all these people that are involved in petroleum and petroleum engineering, mechanical engineering. That's where you can see those kind of library. No, it's not medical library. I'm saying like oil and gas library. I don't know if oil and gas library is the right term, or engineering library. Which of these library is supported by tax money? Public library or national library? Yes. The top side of a book is called what? Book cover. The top side of a book is what? Book cover. And the cover is made up of what? Let me see your book. The top side of a book is called, and they say that this cover is made up of what? The front cover, like this, this whole thing is the book cover, and this place is called what? And then they have the central ridge. Which is the central ridge? This place, it is called what? The central ridge. And here it's called what? The back cover. Is that clear? If you open a textbook, you see that it has what? Preliminary pages, the main book, and the what? Subsidiary pages. In the preliminary pages, that's where you see content, acknowledgement, and introduction. Then the main book is where you start seeing one, two, three. But you have to understand that some places when you see them, the preliminary pages always have the Roman numeral figures, while the main book starts with 1, 2, 3, and then the subsidiary page is where you will see like index at the back of the book. You see something like the index, the abstract, something like that. That is the subsidiary page, or the conclusion. Are you with me? Okay, they already explained it here. It says here that preliminary pages is the first part. The main characteristics of this page is that they are usually numbered in what? Roman numerals. I just said it. And the first part of this preliminary page is the half title page. This page carries a short title of the book. Other names of the pages are first title page or the bastard page. Did you get what it says there? And then the second part of the book is usually called the main book. It's usually called the what? The main book. These parts are numbered in Arabic numerals figures. The main page starts with the introduction. After the main book are the subsidiary pages, and they are also numbered in what? Arabic numerals. So the book is divided into three parts. The what? The preliminary page, which is numbered in what? a Roman numerals. And the main book, which is also numbered in Arabic numerals. And the subsidiary page, which is also numbered in Arabic numerals. So the question can come as dash and dash uses Arabic numerals, preliminary page and main book page, or main book page and subsidiary page. Remember when I explained about catalog? So it says the library catalog has the information on all books and materials held in the library. True or false? True or false? If you maybe you did not get when I explained, let me explain it again. A library catalog is it has the summary or the collection of all the books or information resources in the library. So your own what you have to do is for you to walk up to the system, type in the book you're looking for based on the author or the title, and if the library has that collection in the library, it will show you all the books that are related to that author or all the books that are related to that topic, and will also inform you where the shelf is to get that book. So that's the work of a library catalog. So that's what it says, that the library catalog is not really a computer, but like if you're defining it, it's just right there that a library catalog is the collection of all the book materials or information resources in the library. You understand? That's like a that is like a behind the scene of a librarian. Whenever a book or a collection of books enter the library, they take notes of all the books that they have, and then they have to now put it in a system. That system, like a computer or like a television. Your own what you're going to do is just to type in the book, maybe based on the author or the title, and then to tell you or inform you the shelf where you can see that book, or the area or the section or the faculty where that book is. So that's why it says that the library catalog the library catalog has the information on all books and materials held in the library. True or false? Dash involves an arrangement of stock into group based on some common factors familiar to each other. Classification of library materials. Classification of library materials is when books are classified based on the field of study, maybe based on science, maths, English, history, all those kind of things. That is what classification is. So it is also done in library. Without that library classification, the books in the library will be scattered. When you come into a library, you'll be confused. Oh, should I go here to get this book? Or should I go to this shop? But with that classification, it makes everything easier for the user to come in and look for information, even without the help of a library, even without the help of a librarian. When books are classified in a library, they are always assigned a number, and that number is called call number or call mark. Call number or call mark. With this, when I pick up a book, I already know that, oh, this book has already been classified. So when a book is classified in a library, it is called call number or call mark. Like in the library, the books are classified alphabetically in a way that For example, or I'm sure of library. Library science falls under the letter Z. So if you go to a shelf and you see Z, letter Z, you know that that shelf is mainly for any materials that's under what? Library. Do you understand what I'm saying? What is the full meaning of ISSN? What of ISBN? Should I write it? So in the library, we don't the collections of the library is not just printed material. We also have digital material, non-printed materials, and it's not just the books or novels you know. We have the periodicals. The periodicals are like the magazines, like articles that come monthly, annually, weekly, daily. You can also add the newspaper as periodicals. So we have the periodicals, we have the journals, we have the encyclopedias, we have the index, we have the yearbooks, we have the maps, we have the bibliography. So I'm going to write down library collections, and you go and read about it. Then we will now move to unit 5. Should I clean this one? Like journal, periodical, they can stand on their own, but they are also under reference materials. Are you done? So we are going to unit 5. The use of dictionary and other reference materials. The use of dictionary and other reference materials. So we all know that there are different types of dictionaries, but dictionaries are classified into two: the general dictionary and subject specific dictionary. The general dictionary and subject specific dictionary. Subject specific dictionary, I mean, like if there's this dictionary you see is based on science, it's based on a particular language: French dictionary, Spanish dictionary, vocational dictionary, history dictionary. Like this it will have all the terms that are used in science, or maybe computer dictionary to have all the terms used in computer science. That is what we mean by subject based dictionary. And then general dictionary is dictionary that you know that you just like Oxford dictionary is a general dictionary. Like when you open it, you can have answers to any question or any areas that you're confused. That's general dictionary. So examples of general dictionaries, we have advanced advanced learners dictionary, Oxford English dictionary, Oxford reference online dictionary, Cambridge advanced learners dictionary. Should I continue? Then examples of subject dictionary, we have English pronunciation dictionaries, dictionary of idioms. I would have written it down, but it's now PDF. Phrasal verbs dictionary, acronym finder dictionary, dictionary of law, medical dictionary, etc. When a dictionary deals with two languages, it is called bilingual dictionaries or bilingual dictionaries. This is the dictionary that just like French dictionary. You know that French dictionary we have both French language and English language. So that it will break down what it's saying in French and English. That is what bilingual or bilingual dictionary based on how you pronounce it. The same way with Spanish. All these kind of dictionary are called bilingual dictionary. Dictionaries that involve two languages. So they say that when a dictionary deals with two or more languages, it is called multilingual dictionary. Let me write it down. Is that clear? So is a dictionary a reference materials, true or false? True. So it's part of a reference materials. Please add it here. but it is also it's also a library material that can stand on its own. But if you're to group it under reference material, the dictionary is there, the encyclopedia is there. So we are moving to unit 6, listening for academic purposes, meaning, style and processes. Are you there? There are different types of listening.